In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for Hostinger on a monthly basis. Whether you're new to the platform or just looking to change your billing cycle, I'm here to guide you through the process seamlessly, ensuring you get the most out of your web hosting services. First things first, start by heading over to the Hostinger website. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. You can easily do this by clicking on the Login button found at the top right corner of the page. After logging in with your credentials, you'll be brought to your account dashboard, which is your control center for all things related to your hosting services. Now, from your dashboard, you need to access your current hosting plan. Simply select the Hosting option, which will give you a list of all your active services. Here, you'll want to click on the specific plan you wish to adjust, taking you to your hosting plan's details page. Next, look for the Billing section. It's typically displayed as a tab or option within your plan details. Once you find it, click on it to access your current billing settings. Now, from the Billing Settings page, locate the option to change your billing cycle. Hostinger offers this flexibility, allowing you to choose between various payment intervals to better suit your needs. To switch to a monthly payment plan, select the Monthly option from the available billing cycles. When doing so, it's important to note that paying on a monthly basis might alter the overall pricing structure when compared to longer-term commitments. Be sure to review the updated costs to make sure it aligns with your budget. Once you've confirmed your choice, the next step is to proceed with the payment. Most of the time, Hostinger will prompt you to confirm your payment details before you finalize any changes. Double-check the payment information you have on file, or if necessary, add a new payment method to ensure everything is accurate and up to date. After verifying your payment details, go ahead and submit your payment. You should receive a confirmation shortly thereafter. This confirmation will typically include a receipt and the new terms of your hosting agreement reflecting your choice to switch to a monthly billing cycle. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted your Hostinger billing to a monthly payment plan. Remember, if you ever need to revisit your payment preferences or explore longer-term solutions for cost savings, you can always switch back or explore Hostinger's various offerings. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. Feel free to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Enjoy your newfound billing flexibility with Hostinger.